Today we're installing a Madjax steering wheel and hub. The steering wheel comes with the hardware and the Allen wrench. The hub comes by itself and is cart specific. To do this, we're going to use a cordless drill, a socket set, and a hammer. Now let's get started. Today we're installing this kit on a Club Car Precedent. The only difference with the steps for the Precedent as opposed to the other models is the size of the socket to remove the hub from the steering column. First thing we're going to do is remove the bolts holding on the front cover of the steering wheel. Remove the bolts, but do not retain. For this step, you're going to sit in the seat directly behind the steering wheel. We're going to use a 15mm socket and loosen the nut on the steering wheel hub here. On your cart, you may need to use a different size socket. We're not going to fully remove the bolt, but about halfway. With the bolt halfway loose, you're going to put one hand on top of the steering wheel and one knee under the steering wheel. What you're going to do is you're going to pry back, take a hammer, and tap on the bolt. This will help free the steering wheel. Before you remove your bolt and steering wheel, make sure that your tires are straight. Now you can fully remove the bolt and the steering wheel. We're going to retain the bolt. Now we're going to attach our hub. You'll notice on the hub there's a single hole in the middle. This is going to be the top. So you got a single hole, two, couple of holes at the bottom. The single hole at the top, that's center. You want to have that at the very top with your tires straight. Once your hub's on, you're going to reuse the same OEM bolt and tighten it down. Now we're going to place the steering wheel on the hub. You want to make sure that the ring behind the steering wheel is lined up with the holes on the hub. Then you're going to take your steering wheel trim ring, place over the front of the steering wheel, and then using the hardware and the Allen wrench provided, tighten your steering wheel. Once all 6 bolts are in place, then tighten your hardware. Now that our hardware is tightened, you're finished installing your Madjax steering wheel and hub.